Hi there everyone, today we're going to do a quick unboxing video with the Fanvil i16V. So let's have a look at the box. On the box we find the model number, which is the i16V. We also find our serial number and MAC address information there. Let's open it up and have a look inside. Right, so in the box we find some packaging. We find a quick installation guide. We find some mounting dimensions and instructions on how to mount the unit. We find a mounting kit, including a little Allen key and a little screwdriver and all the screws, etc. And we have our i16V. Let's have a look. So this is the i16V here. It's got a camera on it and a single press button. And that's the i16V. Yeah, thank you.